Alright, you guys, this is the Hot Wheels monster truck I went to Walmart. I hope you enjoyed my Swedish Fish Mango Dot unboxing, the one I found. Fruit Smasher, guys. Reminds you of SpongeBob characters. New for 2025 Hot Wheels monster trucks, Fruit Smasher. Here's the back. Name, Fruit Smasher, Truck Type City, Strength, Squeeze a Day, Crash Attack, Very Tough. So all I need for this case is a Corvette, Rhinomite, Little Holland, Mayorix, and Raphael, and I have the whole set for this one. That one looks really cool with Rhinomite. I didn't see it though, so I found the Little Holland, but I'll get that one next time. Here it is. Fruit Smasher. Here we go. I don't care about the car. I don't know why they keep giving us that. Here it is. Ooh, okay, so here it is. Look at the little faces. Fruit Smasher, guys. The detail is really cool, like water. It's a nice pineapple and a drink. Red roll cage, chrome rims and beadlocks. Silver chassis. Well, chrome chassis. And it's smoothed out here. That's the Dodge Ram van casting, of course. You can't see it. Hot Wheels monster trucks, guys. The silver motor, pretty cool. I like this one. It does look like SpongeBob a little bit because of pineapple. That's why. Fruit Smasher. Back of the cab's open, so because the motor's exposed on this one. Hot Wheels monster trucks in big. Look how huge the letters up there. So yeah, those are my two trucks I got today, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.